Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I will show you how you can extract automatically data from a goods delivery node to your Google Sheets. And we're gonna use Zapier as a tool to connect this all together. Bitskout has lots of templates, and one of them is delivery node or goods receipt node. And you can have a look what we extract here. Basically it's the key information from the goods delivery node. So if you run a warehouse, you know what it is, including the line items that have been delivered. Alright? Now, if you want to use this template, you need to create a plugin. It's very easy. You just click use template. Here you can just choose Zapier, and that's it. And now we have our plugin. Now what we need to do in Zapier is create a Zap. So let's do that. So the first trigger, in my case, I will use Gmail, as if I will be receiving the email from a mailbox with the goods delivery node. If you don't have this process established, I would highly recommend you to do that. So once you receive something, the information, the file should be saved somewhere. It can be Gmail, or you can save it into Dropbox. Okay, let's continue. And here I will add just one filter because I'm using my own account. And that's why I need to find the specific email. In your case, you don't need to use any filters. Okay, so here's our record. And then the next step is to choose Bitskout. And in this case, we will use an event called run a plugin for files. And this is where we're gonna specify our plugin that we have created from the template. And it's gonna be goods delivery node, this one, and choose the file URL. We choose here attachment exists but not shown, because this is an actual file. Let's continue, and let's test this action and see what it extracts. Okay, so this is our data. Next step is to map it into Google Sheet. Okay. So in this case, we will choose create a spreadsheet row, just one row, and then we will choose the spreadsheet. Okay, have a test in here. Okay, let's choose sheet 1. Let's refresh the fields. Okay, so here are our fields, and then you just need to do what you need to do is just to map it. Okay, so let's choose the ID. Okay, so that's it. So the next step, we'll run a test and the data will appear here. So here we are. So this way you can automate data extraction from delivery nodes. Typically, in this scenario, we recommend you to use another template called detect document types for logistics, which can help you streamline your workflow, where if there are multiple documents sent, we can detect what is what and then run appropriate extractions. But yeah, as you can see, in just a few clicks, you can set it up. Thanks a lot for your time.